go to console.cloud.google.com. You go to this page. When you are on this page, we go to select project and we choose for new project. I choose example and I choose create. And now it's loading, and in a few seconds we should be in our project, and we're going to select the project. Now we are in our example project. You can see it over here. It's the right project, so we are in our example or in the name you choose for your project. Now we go to the left side to API and services, and we choose enable API and services. Now we are on this page. You see enabled APIs and services. I go to library. And when we are in the library, we can choose which API we want to enable. So I choose, for this example, I'll choose the Drive. You can see which APIs are here below. If I choose another one, say Gmail, and I type it not together because I have a script for AutoHotkey, you can enable Gmail. But for this example, I choose Drive, Google Drive API. We click on the selected one and we enable it. And now we must choose our user support email. In this case, I'm gonna skip this part because I don't want to show my email, but you must fill in the email you're going to use for your make.com account. Also scroll to the bottom, it's the same one as you used before, and you're gonna click on save and continue. And now we're going to add scopes to the project. We're going to add scopes for API. I choose all, but you can choose from the menu, and you can choose only Drive or something, or which one you want. As I said before, I choose all, choose update. Now we have this done. We have added the scopes that you want. As you can see, we're going to save and continue. We're going to add the user, that's our email address we used before. So click on add user, type in your email address, click on add again, and now we see our email address is added. Now we click on save and continue and we go further to the next one. But now we must connect it to Make. So we're going to credentials. On this page we're going to fill in some URLs that can connect Make with a Google Drive, for example. When we are on this page, we're going to create credentials. We click on OAuth client ID, and now we can select what we want. We want to select web applications, and now we're going to fill in a bunch of URLs. I'm going to edit, and then I come back to you and I will put the URLs below this video. I fill out all the redirect URLs. Now we're going to create, and now we can see we have here our client ID example. And now we can connect with Make. I click on Google Drive, I click on upload a file. I'm going to add a connection. I choose a name for the connection, example. We choose show advanced settings, and we need a client ID and a client secret. So we made that before, so we go back to our API page and we have a name, and that's in my case example. You might have another name, and we have here we have the client ID and here we have the client secret. So I copy the client ID, copy, go back to Make, client ID, paste, do the same for the client secret, paste it in, and now choose for sign in with Google. Now we get another page, and we must choose our account. Of if you have only one account, you can go along and choose that one. I have different accounts. Choose continue. Now we choose that Make or formal Integromat can see, edit, create and delete all of our Google Drive files. We choose continue. We wait a few seconds, and now we have our connection. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe below for the channel for more automation tutorials on this channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye!